Hi, this is Mary with Reviewer's Diary with a skincare project pan update. I think I may have done one update, but I'm not sure. But this is a current update for sure, definitely. Okay, so I'm going to start out first with my empties. This H2O Aqua Defense Refining Matcha Detox Mask. Nice, but not wild about it. And I think it might be a peel-off, yeah. And I'm not wild about peel-off masks nowadays. That could change, but anyway, this was nice, but not something I would go out of my way to purchase. So that is an empty. Also in this project, I had this Marcelle eye makeup remover, and I really like it. It's a biphase, and I had this much last time I put this in here, and now it's gone. So I do have to search my stock to see if I have another one of these or any other eye makeup remover, because I need it. I do like to use balm and oil cleansers as my first cleanse, but I do not like to rub my eye makeup all over my face while I'm doing that. So I do like to use actually an eye makeup remover, then an oil cleanse or balm cleanse, then a regular cleanser. Yeah, I know it's 3 steps, but I feel better about it. So I use this to take off my eye makeup. That was very nice. This is another empty. This one is rather heartbreaking. This was in this project, and I had, it looks like I did draw a line there. And I did manage to finish using it up, so I didn't have that much left. But yeah, and I can't read the ounces off anymore because I rubbed those off too. But I would definitely repurchase this. I really, really, really like it, and I definitely want to, after I finish a lot of the mists that I already have, I'd like to have one of these again. Okay, now for updates on this bag of little masks that I added. I am going to give these to my daughter because I realized I used one up a while ago, and I realized I just don't like these that much. So rather than try to push myself through using these, I'm going to just declutter these from this challenge. So they are going to be decluttered. Whoa. The other things in here I have not touched. There are a lot of things in here, and so actually I should take them out because I know I covered this before, but yeah, I just want to make sure to put everything in that's in there. Okay, I had 2 sheet masks. I didn't like them, so I did declutter those. And decluttering these Peter Thomas Roth, that's 2 items that are going to be decluttered. That leaves me with 4 small items. They're all masks, and I do like Goldfaddden. I love Purlisse. I like this cruelty-free brand, and I don't know about the charcoal mask, but I will give it a try. So anyway, those are yet to be done, and I might add something small to this package, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so for the other stuff, ignore these things in the back. This cleanser, Allgenist, biotechnology, blah, blah, baloney. I'm down to, I started out here, and now I'm down to here. This should be done really soon, so that's going to be one of my goals. Another thing that's going to be done very soon is this Elizabeth Arden Hydra-Splash alcohol-free toner. You can see that I was up to there. I didn't want to draw through the letters, so I just went a little to the left, and this is what I have left. And that's definitely going to be a couple weeks because you don't use a lot of it. You only use a little. So I'm hoping to finish this up and put another toner in. Hoping to put my Tarte Knockout in. So yeah, we'll wait and see. Okay, this Dr. Brandt PoreDermabrasion. This, I started out here. You only use a little at a time, and now I'm down to here. So I only have a few more uses to finish this one. So I did not use this one at all because I figured I'll finish the blue one first since it's so close to being done. So this one, I don't know how I'll mark it or figure out how low it is, but I know right now it's completely full because it's new. I also used this Micellar Water by Marcelle, one of my favorite brands for Micellar Water. And this Marcelle is, I started out here, and now as of today I am down to there. So yeah, I'm very happy using this. It's non-irritating. I really like it. And that actually takes off eye makeup too, so I might just use that as eye makeup remover. Then there's this Skin Perfecting Lotion. I got down to here because I was using a lot of other lotions. So yeah, I expect to make more progress on that one. And then there's Purlisse Blue Lotus. I was able to hold this up to the light. I started out, oh, my battery's dying. I started out here, and now I am down to here. So I'm going to make it a plan to use this every day until it's gone. And the Badescu Herbal Hydrating Serum, I included this. I don't know how everything got a little bit of coffee on it, but anyway, oh, that's right, because my dog decided to drink out of my coffee cup and splashed a little coffee around. Awesome. I love when that happens. But anyway, this takes forever to show anything. I did use it a couple times, but it doesn't show use that it's being used up. It just doesn't, I can't use enough of it for it to show up. Okay, so since I have so many things that are on their way out, and I did finish a couple things, and I'm decluttering a couple things, I'm adding in a couple items. This Evolu Hydrating Serum, I'm hoping to finish this. I don't know, let's see, what are the ingredients? Aqua, hyaluronic acid, some extract, benzoate, and potassium sulfate. I think those may be, they might be, a lot of that might be like preservative. Although this says best if used in the refrigerator. I did give my little mini fridge to my daughter. She uses it. I wasn't. So this is one of those things that for some reason they thought it would work best if used from the refrigerator or kept in the refrigerator. So I'm thinking that I probably need to use this up. Now, a lot of people got this in their, I think it was Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and said that it smelled like feet. Mine does not have an odor that I can smell at all, but I guess that's what it smells like when it starts to go. So I'm adding those two things, and I'm also adding the Strivectin Tightening Neck Cream, NIA 114. It's, you know, got a whole bunch of really good for your skin ingredients, and this one is my face cream, my absolute favorite face cream on the face of the planet. Now I'm going to open both of these because I have used some. This one is more than 2/3 gone, and this one I think might be a half gone, but I'll check that out, and I'm going to make those a priority. So I opened both of these. This is the neck cream, and it is down. Oh, I didn't open the Belif. Shoot, that's one thing I missed. I'll open that after I do these additions. This is the tightening neck cream, and you can see that it's down to about half. These you probably won't see again until they're empty. And this is the sculpting face cream, and it's down about 2/3, and it has about 1/3 left. They're both 1.7 fluid ounces, so they're good size, but they're $95 a piece. And I'm not going to spend $95 again, but I love the feel of this. So if anybody knows of a dupe for this, This particular one, I would really appreciate it. I got these in some box or something. I didn't pay $95, but for me to replace it would be about $95 each. Alright, so now I'm going to open the Belif so you can see how far I got with that one. Okay, so this Belif cream was already in this project. Let me turn it around, turn it around, turn it around. I found out it's not my favorite anymore. I used to absolutely love this. It's a True Cream Aqua Bomb. And I used to absolutely love this, but I have found things that I like a lot better, which is good because Belif is not cruelty free. But you can see that I have used a little more than 2/3. I can actually see pan, you know, the bottom of the jar there. So this one will be gone very soon. So in my next update, I will likely have that in it as well. Decided to add a couple more things because I now will only have 4 things in that bag. I decided that I would add these things that I did not finish from Badescu, but that I have used. This is the Seaweed Cleansing Lotion. I really do like this. It's basically a toner. So once the Elizabeth Arden is done, this will become the main toner until, you know, I'm done. This moisturizer I really like very much. It's 1 ounce and it's Hydro Moisture with vitamin C. So I kind of have to use this up soon. These things came in a little set, and I decluttered the face wash. So that's why it looks familiar. And then this is the eye cream. So I'll use that up. And this is a enzyme revitalizing mask. Now I've never opened this, so I don't know if it smells or if it's gone bad. It does not have an expiration date on it. But since I got rid of 2 masks, decluttered 2 masks, then I can add another mask. So these items will become part of this skincare project. So if you have any questions or I left anything out, please let me know. And I really love the Strivectin stuff, so I'm really looking forward to using that up. But if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll answer them as best I can. And really looking forward to delving into the new products that I've added and finishing the old ones. Whoa. Just try and get them out of the frame. So I'm really looking forward to using all this stuff up. You know, I have a couple other project pans that I'm going to be working on, and one of them is the Tiny Treasures, and so I will be working on that soon. So thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary with an update for my project Pan Skincare Edition. This is a rolling project that has no end, so this will just keep going until my skincare cabinet is down to like a dull roar and not quite so overloaded. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That does help me. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. Have a beautiful evening. Good night.